Hi friends, so this is Sandhya Singh and my channel name, as you can see, is Girly Talk, and we'll be talking more about fashion, the girly talks, like what are their interests, the lookbooks, kind of shopping hauls mostly, which I like a lot. I love to watch shopping hauls, and that is the main reason why I opened up this channel for shopping hauls, but we'll be talking more other things as well, more than that. So I would like to welcome all of you, whoever is watching my channel, to subscribe me and like the video if you really like the content and if you like me as well. So I would like you to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. So my first ever video is about a subscription box, that is Glam Treasure. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you the May subscription because I received the box a bit later from my friend, because it was delivered to his place due to my unavailability to my current place. So I really apologize for that, but I really like the stuff. That's the reason I would like to show you all. I ordered this box in April, and this is an April subscription box, and this costed me $14.99 for 1 month, and if you go for 6 months or 1 year, you will be able to see that the prices are less. But I didn't want it to take chance before I go and see what are the products, and I would say that I was quite happy when I received the box, and I really like the products, and that's why I'm sharing my experience with you all, guys. So we'll start with the box and the contents of it rather than just wasting your time. So here is the box, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It's a big box. I was quite happy about that. So the one thing which I like the most is this. It's written like it's my bottle, and it's quite big. It's not like just too small to carry water. So I work in an office, and it's very convenient for me to fill the water. Even if you fill in the hot water, it's not gonna burn your hands when you hold it. So it's really convenient. The water doesn't drops off whenever you keep it in your bag. It's really convenient and cute. Just look at the glasses. It's really cute. I like the box. I like the bottle basically. The second thing which I liked are the sunglasses. So I was happy that it came in a box. It's really convenient to carry a sunglass in your bag if they give you this kind of box. And I would like to show you Pink Tribe. So I think you guys probably would like the glasses as much as I liked, because of this golden work or the golden color, you can say. And this is like gold rose kind of sunglass. It's really sturdy. I've been using this for like 2 days now, and I'm really happy with the quality. And more than that, just before that, I'm really sorry I couldn't show you this whole information. I think it focuses now. Yes, so all the products which are listed below. So they say that my bottle travel tumbler was for 420 rupees, and the sunglasses, it's retro mirror sunglasses, which is for 1099 rupees. So it's really nice quality as well. I don't know if that is the main cost or the real cost, but I really like the glasses. That's what matters for me. Next up, we have received 2 things. So I really liked the box, which I can use it to keep the earrings or any kind of junk jewelry which I have already. So in these rings came in this pouch, and I have received 4 rings in that. I will show you I'll wear and show you how it looks. So the first one is this blue traditional kind of jewelry, and it doesn't look cheap. It doesn't feel like that this blue is gonna drop off, so it's really cute. I don't have that beautiful hands and nails, but I hope that you like it. And this one is kind of like not full ring kind of. I'll show you how it looks when I wear it with this. So this is how it looks. I'll wear 4 of them and show you. So this is how it looks. This one is kind of white with glitters. I hope you can see that. Yes, probably now. And this one has white, what should I say, white kind of work, like this is stone. And this one is sky blue. You can wear it in index finger as well, like this. So this looks quite pretty, and you can mix and match with other earrings if you have, and you can mix and match with other dresses, like it's white and blue, so you can mix and match. And I really like the box that it came in. So they say that the vintage Turkish ring set is of 429 rupees, which I hope is justifiable. The quality is really nice. And next up we have this cute jewelry pack which I really like, and I'm gonna use it for gifting purpose, sure. And this is a bracelet. I would not say that I really liked it, but yeah, it's fine. I don't know from where it opens. I cannot see a place. Let me try it, what we can do with that. Okay, so probably we have to just wear it like this, and wherever we feel okay according to our hand size, we can just, I don't think that's how we wear it, but I don't find a place. So I think I'll have to figure it out how I'll be able to wear it, but I liked it, but I didn't like it that much. It looks childish to me, like not that good. So I'll have to again open it that bag later on. The last thing which I got is this cute jewelry box. Just, it's so cute and awesome, and it's just travel friendly. So it comes up with a chain like this, but the chain, I would say, is not that sturdy. It feels like whenever we are moving the chain, it might break up, so we have to be careful with that. And it comes up with this cute mirror, and we have these places to keep our makeup brushes, and this is the complete space where I can keep. So I would say that this is okay, and we'll be able to carry it properly. So this was a holiday edition. That's the reason they have added the sunglasses, the bottle, this bag, and this jewelry part, which we women love anyways. So they say that the black leather case organizer is 890 rupees, and this chain link pearl bracelet was 369 rupees. So the overall cost for the box was almost 1500, and we have received like almost more than 2000, like I would say 2500 rupees of products. So this is justifiable, and I would like that. I was happy to see the box. These things I can use, these are sturdy, and I'll be able to use it for later purpose as well. It's not that it's gonna sit in our makeup boxes and we're not gonna use it. So it's really, I have already started using this bottle. I would say the sunglasses, I would not use the jewelry box because probably I don't need this much sturdy bag when I'm not traveling. Probably for traveling purposes it will help. So I was quite happy with the box. I will link the site below if you guys want to go and check. They have May subscription as well. I would like to do a video on that as well, or the June one which is coming up. So if you really like the video and the things you have seen here, you can go and check out their website. You'll be able to see the items which they are going to add in those subscriptions, so that you yourself can judge and buy that. So delivery was really nice. When I place the order, they will contact you for the confirmation of the order, and if they don't find you on the phone or anything, so once you confirm, they're gonna deliver it within 5 to 7 days. So completely takes 10 days for them to deliver, and I was quite happy with the box. So I would like you people to comment and say what are the things that you liked in the box. If you have an experience with any of the subscription box which you like the most, I would like you people to suggest that as well. And if you want to see more videos like these, subscription box, the shopping hauls, what kind of videos you people would like to watch, please let me know so they can concentrate more on that. And please let me know how I can improve as a YouTuber as well, because I am just starting now. So that was what I wanted to say, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will be waiting for your comments and views. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.